How to fix Paramount Plus error 6013. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can fix Paramount Plus error 6013. Streaming services can sometimes have errors, and Paramount Plus users may encounter one called error 6013. Now this error can stop users from watching movies and TV shows on Paramount Plus. It often means that there is a problem with the content's playback, which can be caused by various technical issues. To fix this, users can try a few troubleshooting steps. Now, what you can do is you can try adjusting the resolution settings. The most common fix for 6013 error involves adjusting the resolution settings on your Fire TV stick. Go to your Fire TV stick settings, navigate to Display and Sounds, select Display and change the video resolution from Auto or 2160p to 1080p. This will resolve the error. Now there are some other troubleshooting tips as well. You can try and clear the Paramount Plus app cache in your device settings. Now you can try and restart your modem and router to refresh your internet connection. Also try restarting your Fire TV stick or other streaming device that you are using. You can check for any available updates for the Paramount Plus app, or ensure your streaming device operating system is up to date. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.